Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add Botpress to your website. So first things first, here at the Botpress, make sure to publish your site in order to save the progress. And then once you successfully publish it, we're going to click on here on their logo and click on back to dashboard. Let's go ahead and click on it. And from here, you can go ahead and click on integration. We have three options. We have here the settings, the pre-configured, and configurable. Here at the configurable, you can be, if you know codes, you can click on here and customize whatever you want. And if you want to do the less stress and hassle-free, you can go ahead and click on pre-configured. And here you will see the link of your bot press. And then there you go. You're going to put it on your site and provide a link. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See you.